If you're just starting, right, then the important thing for you to do is work with your operations leadership and say, okay, so who in operations would respond to an incident? Who owns that responsibility? And then get those people on a team to work through an incident response plan. And you can talk to them and say, who's reporting it to you? Like, how are you receiving an incident that says, we're going to initiate the incident response plan? Who's the person responsible for saying, this is an incident and we're going to initiate the IRP? That person needs to be on the team. And then the other person that you really need on the team is who's responsible for communication. Who in our organization is responsible for communicating with the client? Who in our organization is responsible for communicating with authorities? So you at least need that core group together, right? Who has the authority to initiate the activation of the plan, the incident response plan? That person has to be on the team, right? Who's responsible for execution inside of the company? Those people need to be on the team. And then who's responsible for communication? At the very least, those people need to be on the team if it's internal. And if you're trying to work it with a client, at the very least, you need who is their tech rep, who from their company would be telling you, and that person should be on the team. And that's kind of the smallest scope that you can get, is that group of people.